A Nottingham key worker facing a £10,000 bill for works carried out on the block of flats he lives in is calling for the fee to be scrapped. John Hiley, a supermarket worker, moved into the flat in Sneinton in 2016 and says he simply can't afford the upgrades. Jodie Law reports.
The cost of this transformation is at the centre of a dispute between a flat owner and Nottingham City Homes. Most of the residents here rent from the council. Those who are leaseholders are being charged for the refurbishment.
They improved the building, but obviously it's not something that we chose.
John Hiley moved here 4 years ago with his wife Zizi. He's a leaseholder, which means he owns the right to live in the flat, but he doesn't own the bricks and the ground it sits on. It belongs to the freeholder, which is Nottingham City Homes. But now John says he's facing financial hardship.
It's now reached a head because the invoice has arrived, so that is stressful. Yeah. Basically, it's not affordable.
The year after John moved in, a consultation was held to carry out upgrades on the block of flats. It was to help improve energy efficiency. Leaseholders here have been given a range of options to repay the £10,000 bill.
At the time I bought the flat, Nottingham City Council, Nottingham City Homes had never in their history charged leaseholders for major works.
In a statement, Nottingham City Homes say each flat has benefited from £36,000 worth of improvements, with cost to each homeowner capped at £10,000. Homeowners have a wide choice of repayment options. This includes the offer of a title charge on the property, meaning they don't have to repay the costs until the property is sold in the future. Supporting John's case are Acorn, which describes itself as a union for the community.
We're asking that Nottingham City Homes waive the charge in full. We believe that that's exactly what John deserves. John's been assessed that he is eligible to pay this £10,000 based on having £6.42 a month of excess monthly income. On that amount, will take him 130 years to pay back the charge.
The deadline to agree a repayment plan for the works is Saturday. John says he plans to appeal the invoice. Jodie Law, BBC East Midlands Today, Nottingham.
Well, what should you consider before buying a leasehold? We asked for advice from property expert Kate Faulkner, who admitted that even she had been caught out in the past.
I owned a flat with a housing association. They changed a lot of rules. They changed them very fast. And I had done all my due diligence, and I took it to a complaint because I felt that we weren't being treated properly. But not everybody can do that. And I have to say, even for me, that was quite a frustrating process, and it took about a year, I think, to do. So if, it isn't easy, but the government actually have a really good guide online. They have how-to housing guides, and there's one on leasehold. And I think even before you go and read, visit a flat, even if you've got the information up front, do read that. It's incredibly, unlike most of government documents, it's incredibly easy to read. It's incredibly easy to absorb. So have a read of that first. Don't go and view them until you've got all the information that you need.
There you go.